this is Dr. Chris, and today I want to review a special spreadsheet I've developed here. It allows one to compare 3 different hospitals as far as safety goes. So this is the spreadsheet here. If you click on the link, it will open the Leapfrog Hospital Safety Grade website. On that website you can search for hospitals in a variety of ways. For our purposes here, I will just choose by state. And we'll pick, I don't know, Connecticut. Okay, so we have different hospitals, we have their ratings, we can sort by rating, or grade rather, name, distance, all those kinds of things. So when you click on a hospital name, it'll take you to their report card. And there's different metrics here. And there's information on those metrics as well. And you can see the meter is in red here, here, here. And then we'll get to UTIs or urinary tract infections, it's green, and surgical site infection after a colon surgery is yellow, etc. There are other categories here too. And this worksheet is keyed to all of these things. So once you find your hospital that you're interested in comparing to at least 2 others, go to the worksheet. And you can put in the hospital name here, and we'll just say hospital ABC for our argument's sakes, and then you also can put in the city and the state as well, so you know sometimes you're comparing hospitals from one state to another, for example. You'll look at the sheet over here, and in this case we can look at the overall grade, which was a B, and we'll enter in B. So you drop down the box, select the right box or drop down option, and it color codes just the same as the actual website. And we'll just say we looked at other hospitals. There's one here with a D overall, and we'll say this one has an A overall. So all you need to do is go through the categories one by one and rank what the various safety ratings were, or select rather. I'm just making this up. Well, some don't report or there's no data, so we can say NA, but an NA is treated the same as leaving it blank, so either way. And you can just do it for all the different hospitals. And we'll just leave some blank here saying that. And you see what happened here? As soon as I got to the 3rd hospital, it started ranking them. So it gives the category rank for infection. And right now they're all ranked at the same if you average the scores. But if you change some things, adjust itself. So you'll see now these are both ranked 2, those are tied, and this is 3. So there is no 1 in this case. So your top 2 hospitals for infection are actually the 2s. And you just go on and you pick categories. You just go on down the line, and the same thing happens. It starts ranking everything. Here's one where it's clearly 1, 2, 3 in problems with surgery, and so on. And you can go all the way down the sheet, and then you can make an informed decision as to which hospital you want to use. So is infection, is that a concern for you, and are you more concerned about that? Are you more concerned about other safety problems like patient falls and injuries and those kinds of things? So it depends on really what you're concerned about. I mean, theoretically, you could have a hospital with an overall ranking of A and one with an overall ranking of B. But if for example, you're not having a colon surgery, that may be immaterial to you, and you can actually even remove that. So just leave it blank or say NA if you don't want that to be a consideration. And because if you're not going for a colon surgery, obviously that's not a concern of yours at this point. So I hope that helps, and I hope you find this tool useful. You can find my website at freerangethinker.org, and there's mechanisms to contact me there. If you have any suggestions for this sheet or comments or things you want to see it do later, please let me know. Thank you and have a good day.